We are building a tool that lets you see inside the brain of ChatGPT. But we had a problem. My front-end is React, but my heavy AI math happens in Python. I needed a bridge. We couldn't expose my Python API directly because of CORS issues and security risks. I needed a middleman to handle the keys and the traffic without spinning up a complex back-end. Enter Supabase Edge functions. I wrote a simple proxy function in Deno. It takes the request from the front-end, securely injects my API secrets on the server side, forwards it to my Python engine, and streams the result back. And it works instantly. Supabase handles the global distribution, so my users in New York or Tokyo get the same low latency when debugging their AI SEO. I even used Supabase database to log real-time AI bot traffic, handling thousands of writes without breaking a sweat. If you're building next-gen AI tools, Supabase is the infrastructure cheat code.